Join us on a delightful tour as we explore two adorable apartments with charming Scandinavian vibes. From the sleek and minimalist design to the cozy and inviting atmosphere, these spaces are filled with inspiration for anyone looking to infuse their home with a touch of Scandinavian style. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning decor, clever storage solution, and clever use of natural light in these two hidden gems. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and tips for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you these fabulous design ideas. We hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The first apartment has a bright interior with a fresh look. White walls, white furniture, and gorgeous laminate flooring throughout. Just a few simple but tasteful decorative accessories. A light gray sofa, a chandelier with gray light shade, and a small round area rug in the same light gray complement the decor of the living, kitchen, and dining area. Large bare windows that let plenty of natural light get inside. Beautiful gallery kitchen with white cabinets, white backsplash, and black countertop. Small but beautiful bathroom in white and pastel green. Charming master bedroom with an inviting look. Beautiful combination of pure white color and the color of the natural wood. Here you can see a small and modern home office. The second one is quite a large Scandinavian style apartment, bright and spacious entranceway, designed with a modern and minimalistic style, and it feels very inviting and comfortable. The use of light, colors, and natural light makes the space appear larger and more open. The bookshelves and the rug add a touch of coziness and personalization. The storage cabinets offer practicality while maintaining the sleek look of the space. The living room is modern and stylish with a charming fireplace. It is well designed with a balance of comfort and style, and the use of natural light makes the space feel open and airy. The dark wallpaper adds a dramatic touch, while the furniture and decor create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. There are large windows that let in ample natural light, illuminating the space and enhancing its welcoming atmosphere. It's a beautiful space for relaxation and socializing. The balcony offers a comfortable and relaxing outdoor space with a great view. The use of wooden tiles, modern furniture, and greenery create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's a perfect spot for enjoying a cup of coffee, reading a book, or simply soaking up the sun. The view of the apartment buildings and the trees adds to the charm of this outdoor space. Overall, the master bedroom exudes a calm and serene vibe with a neutral color palette and well-chosen decorations. It's a comfortable and inviting space, perfect for relaxation and rest. The use of different textures and patterns adds interest and depth to the room, while the natural light from the window makes the space feel open and airy. It's also another small bedroom that it's used as a kid's room. The apartment has a large tile bathroom with washer and dryer included in the space. Let's wrap up our virtual tour of these charming Scandinavian apartments. As we bid adieu to the light-filled spaces and minimalist elegance, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our design-loving community. Remember, whether you are seeking inspiration for your own home or simply appreciate the beauty of Scandinavian design, these apartments have left an indelible mark. So until next time, stay cozy, stay inspired, and keep creating your own little slider Huggy wherever you are. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey. Until our next adventure, take care and happy decorating. Bye.